How to Focus at Home 2020. No matter how old you are, whether you're a student, freelancer or in full-time employment, we all struggle with getting things done from time to time. To help you out, we have put together our top 5 tips for those who are finding it difficult to get into the flow, those who feel that they're not being productive. 1. Breathe. Before starting, take a few seconds to get your mind in the right mindset. Personally, before doing brain work, I like to run or do some exercise. This means that by the time I start studying, I have ironed out all the kinks in my body and have lots of oxygenated blood running to my brain. 2. Stimulating smells. There are a few types of aromas that have been proven to help you focus, for example, peppermint and rosemary. You may choose to have a plant near your workspace, burn the essential oil or make a cup of peppermint tea. According to research, peppermint can increase your concentration by 8%. Pep me up, peppermint. 3. Chew. It sounds strange that we're recommending chewing gum, but it has a double whammy positive effect on your concentration. The mint perks you up and the chewing action ensures that you're breathing properly. Often when we're on the computer we do automatic, shallow surface breathing, which means we're not getting as much oxygen around our bodies as we could. 4. Switch off your phone. Clear your workspace and remove all distractions. Turn your phone off or put it in another room. You're only cheating yourself by using it. You can use your phone during the breaks. Whatever message comes, it's probably not going to be so urgent that it can't wait 25 minutes. 5. Concentrate in bursts. The Pomodoro technique involves concentrating as much as you can for 25 minutes, it's very achievable. Then, when your 5 break time comes around, step away from your desk and do something else, somewhere else. If you stay on your laptop doing internet shopping, your brain will not register it as a real break. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.